Hey everybody, today's video I'm going to show you my method of wedging. It's called the Seashell Method. So what you're going to need is about 1.5 pounds of clay. I kind of scooped out these pieces from the large bin, and I'm weighing about 1.5 pounds. Doesn't need to be exact. But now I'm taking this clay, and my idea is I'm taking these pieces and I'm wedging them together, and my whole goal is to try to get all of the air that's eventually trapped inside this clay out as I kind of align the platelets as I wedge. And so I'm taking this, I kind of press it into a ball, at least to start, and then what I do is I use really the meats of my thumbs, right? So those big parts of your thumbs on your palms, those are going to go on the top of the clay, right? And I'm going to wrap my fingers around the sides like this. Now the motion I'm going to do is I'm going to be pushing down and away at the same time, right? So down and away until my pinkies hit the table. So I'm here, I'm going down and away until my pinkies hit the table. I'm then going to take and use my fingertips to peel that clay up. I'm going to give it a little quarter turn away from me. I'm going to reposition my hands in that same position we were to start, and I'm going to push down and away again. And the idea behind wedging is repetition. And so I'm going to peel it up, quarter turn again, reposition my hands, do the same motion, and now I'm going to start doing it just a little bit faster. Okay, but it's still all the same steps. Peel it up, quarter turn away, reposition my hands, and push down and away until my pinkies hit the table. You can see I'm starting to speed up now. My hands might look like they're doing a little bit different kind of actions, but it's still peeling up, quarter turn, reposition, and go. One thing, as I'm wedging, our goal is to wedge a piece of clay 50 times. Okay? And you can see already, I've maybe done it 15, this table starts to get a little wet. Well, I don't want to continue to wedge there because my clay might stick. So I'm going to move it just a little bit off to the side and continue doing the same motion. Up, quarter turn, down and away. And you can see, once you get pretty good at this, this is kind of the speed that I wedge my clay. You'll eventually get there. So you can see I'm moving around. I've done it 47, 8, 9, 50. And you can see that the reason why I call it the seashell method is because it kind of looks like a seashell, right? But the biggest thing is that this spiraling, right, you can see almost those creases start to spiral here. That's helping all that air get forced out of this clay. Okay. Last thing I do with this seashell method is this little tail. I pull it back and push down towards me to get rid of that. I have this piece of clay that is wedged in my seashell method.